Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract purchase order details from PDF to Excel. And that's what we are going to see in this video. For this you need to do a sign up to a Lido app. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and do a free sign up and you will be landed here. So once you are landed on this page, click on the new file. Let me close this one and let me show you the purchase order that I have. This is the purchase order. I have combined my 5 purchase order to single PDF, but if you keep each purchase order into different PDF, that is completely fine. You can upload multiple files to Lido app, that is also possible. So this is my purchase order, contain purchase order number, date, vendor, description, quantity, unit price and total. I want to extract this field. Let me show you how to give instruction to extract this. So just close this and click on the extract data. Click to upload and upload the purchase order. Let me open the purchase order aside. So here you can see it extract the purchase order number, date, vendor, description and quantity, unit price and total. Whatever I want, it read the PDF and extracted those columns. And if you have any special instruction, like if you want to change the date format or you want to do some extra calculation, then you can feed it under this extra instruction tab. If you don't have, just leave that blank. And here extract multiple rows per document. So this is required because each PDF has multiple line items. So by default it has checked this field. Let's keep it as it is and click on process all files. So now it will read all the purchase order in the PDF and convert that into a CSV or Excel format. And that's it. It is successfully processed. Close this one and here you go. This is the purchase order 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's compare the value with the actual purchase order. So this one purchase order number is P01001, date is 3/21/2025, vendor name is ABC Supplies, description is office chair, quantity is 2, unit price $120, total is 240. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.